Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issues with sound, like not having any sound in Stalker 2 or low volume. To do that, go to Options, then go to Sound tab, and now there is lots of different settings that you may want to change. The first one is the master volume, so it's master of all audio in the game. You may want to change it. Then mute all, it may be enabled. When it's enabled, then your game is silent, so you may want to disable it. Then music volume, you can also adjust it. Combat music, you may also enable it. SFX volume, which is the volume of sound effects, and dialogue volume also can be changed. Then output device, you may have wrong output device set. For example, I can set Oculus virtual audio device, and I don't even have an Oculus connected now, so it will play sound on an inexistent device. So let's set it to my main speakers. You may need to try putting it on different ones until you find the right one. Then you may want to change the output device type. If you are using speakers, set it to speakers, and if you are using headphones, set it to headphones. Then mono, if you are using stereo speakers, disable it, and if you are using just one mono speaker, then you may want to enable it. It depends on you. And dynamic range, it depends on your audio system, but you may need to just try it out, and you can see the explanation of each setting here. When you're done with all of that, click on F to apply these settings, then escape to close the message and escape to exit settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.